Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a simple experiment on how to conduct a series circuit. I prepared the materials for today. I have here on top of my table. First, I have here the 1.5 volt battery. I have here also the bulb, or what we call the load. Of course, there's a need for a socket for the bulb. We need also a screwdriver to attach the screw to the socket. Of course, we need also the plier for us to remove the plastic from the wire. Of course, we need the connector or the wires for the experiment. First, we have to cut the wire into 4 pieces, 6 inches long. I did it already for you. I have here the 4 pieces of wire with 6 inches long to be attached to the socket in order for us to make a series circuit. First, we have to remove the plastic so that the copper wire can be seen. So we have to remove it. Okay, that's it. Oh, you see? This is the copper wire. And this will be attached to the screw here in the socket. We will do it slowly. And of course, attach it here with the use of the screwdriver. Attach it well. Put it well. Then of course, the same is true with the other part of the socket. In here also, I did it also the same thing and attach it again to another socket. Then another connector to be attached here. Just like that. That is a series circuit. There is only one flow or one path of connection. Then get the battery and try to attach it here. You need more battery so that there is more energy to be produced in the series circuit. So if you try to look at the connection, there is only one path. If you want to put a switch for the circuit, you can do so. Now I'm going to show you a sample series connection with this example. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay, you can connect here. You can connect here, then put here the switch. May I have? This is how it looks like. Okay. Here is the bulb with the socket and with the wire connected again to the socket of this bulb. Then another flow going to the battery, and of course we attach here the switch. And in here it is also connected to this area so that there is only one single path. And let's try to see if there is light that comes from the power source. Let's do it. Okay, that's it. This is a simple series circuit. Okay, I hope you learn a lot from this simple experiment.